Hi, today let's make tasty Monica chicken. This is a lovely chicken starter, a must-try recipe. First things first, let's marinate the cleaned and washed chicken with some lemon juice. Next, I'm adding in some ginger garlic paste. Very basic spices, no too many different types of masalas. Next, I'm adding in some Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder. I'm adding in some salt to taste. Next, I'll be adding in some garam masala powder along with some coriander powder. I'll be adding in some rice flour. This is for the crispiness, and corn flour. This is to bind the chicken really very well with the masalas. Next, I'll be adding in one egg as well. Crack open one egg and add it to the chicken. Once all the ingredients are added, marinate the chicken beautifully. You can marinate it overnight and keep it, or just if you have suddenly you want to make it, 15 minutes also is enough. Look at the color of the chicken. This is we are wanting. You can keep it in the fridge, or whenever you want you can make it. Now the oil has heated up. I'm adding in the chicken. Please note the gas needs to be, or the flame needs to be on medium flame, otherwise the chicken will cook from outside but not from inside. Medium flame is perfectly done. So please do not overcrowd the pot as well. Add how many ever chicken you want, and then you can do the next batch as well. After 2 minutes, start flipping the chicken nicely. Look at the color of the chicken. Chicken is cooking beautifully. Now this is a color we are wanting. Chicken is cooked beautifully inside and out. Now take it and keep it aside. Now in a pan, I've added in oil. Next, I'll be adding in some chopped ginger, chopped garlic, chopped onions, along with some curry leaves. Now, you don't need to burn them. Just toss them on high flame. And when the curry leaves turns crispy, add in the fried chicken, which we fried previously. Next, I'm adding in some curd. This I've beaten the curd nicely so that it's smooth and silky. I've added in salt and a pinch of sugar to balance the taste of our Monica chicken. Toss the chicken really very well with the curd and see to that it's beautifully coated with the ginger, garlic, curry leaves. It gives great flavor. Though it looks simple, right, it gives great flavor. These small ingredients enhances the flavor of the chicken. The chicken is beautifully coated and cooked really very well, crispy inside and out. Finally, garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves and your tasty Monica chicken is ready to have. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.